Let's learn how you can resize taskbar on Windows 11. So Windows have removed this option and function from Windows 11 and you can't do it manually. But with the help of this thing, Windhawk, you can use a mode and tweak your taskbar to change its size and height and whatnot. So you can just go to your browser, just type in Windhawk, and it's easy to download it. Just go here, click on download. It will start downloading automatically. On setup, you just need to open file. Yes, I already have it, but you just need to click on install, and that's pretty much it. Now what you need to do is click on it, and this will look like when you open it. And we need to install this right here, taskbar height and icon size. So you need to type this thing, so mod identifier. Let's remove it real quick. So what you need to do is click on browse for mods, click on search for mods, and just paste this thing as you can see here. Now click on details and click on install. Click on accept the risk and install. Now we are waiting for it to download. And when it's finished, you have here settings and you have details explained on size. So for example, let's say I wanted the smaller one. The taskbar would be 34, icon size 16, and taskbar button weight 28. So as you can see here, we changed our taskbar size and everything, so icons become smaller. To restart it, you can just click on disable and it will return to normal taskbar. To delete it, you can just click on remove and click on remove mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.